It's a never-ending war for Israel, it seems. One end or the other, the troubles keep shooting up. First, it was Hamas, then Hezbollah, and now it is the Houthis, the Yemen's rebel group, which has pledged solidarity with Gazans, has become active in its assaults against Israel. Israelis woke up to sirens ringing in Tel Aviv due to an incoming missile launched from Yemen. The missile was intercepted, but Israeli forces remain on alert. The missile launch comes after Israeli strikes at Yemen on Thursday, targeting the Houthi rebel-held capital and multiple ports across the country. Targets it included military infrastructure at the Sana'a International Airport and in the Hejaz and Ras Qanati power stations, along with military infrastructure in the Hodeidah, Salif and Ras Qanati ports on the western coast. The attacks left at least 6 dead and over 40 wounded, while the World Health Organization chief also had a brush up with death as he was just meters away from the attack on Sana'a Airport. Israel alleges the ports targeted were being used to smuggle weapons from Iran. The strikes follow several days of Houthi launches setting off sirens in Israel. The last week witnessed some intense fighting between the two parties, with Israel launching at least 5 rounds of strikes inside Yemen, and Houthis firing over 200 missiles and 170 drones at Israel. All this while the terror campaign continued unabated in the Red Sea, with over 100 merchant vessels coming under attack. Israeli leaders, meanwhile, are clear about their intentions, vowing to go after Houthis in Sana'a and Hodeidah, like they went after Haniyeh, Sinwar, Nasrallah in Tehran, Gaza and Lebanon. But Houthis pose a much greater threat than any other Iranian proxies, as in spite of being a part of Iran's axis of resistance, they do not rely on Tehran for funding and take their decisions independently of the country's revolutionary guards. Their location, quite far from Israel, also gives them an advantage, and right now they seem to be riding high on the popularity wave flowing across the Muslim world that puts them as the vanguard of the fight against Israel. So is Israel opening more war fronts than it can handle? Or will the theatre of war shift to Yemen after Gaza and Lebanon, with tensions escalating day by day? Only time can tell. Bureau Report, India Today Global.